Okay, good morning. It's day 2. We are in Fort Lauderdale. We are checked into the Holiday Inn Express. It's called Airport West. It's just your basic Holiday Inn. It's pretty cool. It offers a complimentary breakfast, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary parking for IHG members. I happen to be one of them because Holiday Inn Expresses are my favorite. It is absolutely beautiful outside right now. I don't know the temperature. I'm sure it's in the 70s. Traffic is going. It's green. It's beautiful. So let's do a room tour, a real quick room tour. Okay, so I wanted to show you what the room looks like lived in, because it's beautiful when you walk in, but but when you live in it, you need to be able to see that you can spread out. So obviously this is your entry door, and then you have a closet right here, ample space, refrigerator. There's our ice bucket and Snickers bar from last night. Keurig coffee maker, microwave, plenty of shelf space, plenty of counter space, little sink. It's like a kitchenette. This is a king suite is what it's called. There's storage under there. You could probably stay here for a week and be fine. Let me crank on some lights in here though. You got a couch, and I'm pretty sure that's a pull-out, with a table, another couch side table, and then a lamp. And then you've got this really cool closet. Let me kick a light on here. Obviously my side. So you've got a 2-door in this closet. So there's your ironing board and iron. I think it's a great use of space. And then in here, you've got your safe down below and plenty of storage in there. Robin's rocking the Fat Irish Pub out in Brookings. Big TV attached to the wall. Like I said, great use of space. You can put your luggage up here on the bench. These are nice deep drawers. It goes all the way past my elbow, so more than a foot. There we go. Working desk, individual air conditioning. These little side pieces on the headboard I think are absolutely so smart. You see this? Look at all those USB ports. They're on both sides, and then they're also on the touch lamp. So you've got the international chargers on the touch lamp, and then you've got more USB ports. Isn't that crazy? So let's check out this view. So they use these. So this is the outside one. We're gonna have to put this down once Weezy gets out of the shower. So here's your outside one. Look at out there. Look at those palm trees and all the cars, and it's beautiful and it's green. We love Florida. This is why we love Florida. But we love to come to Florida in the wintertime because it's hot in the summer. So, and we've never been to Fort Lauderdale. This is a first for us. So, I can't show you the bathroom because Weezy's in the bathroom. But yeah, I mean, what more do you need? You can fit 4 adults in this room just fine and still be comfortable. There's plenty of room. Like, this is like Grand Floridian size room. So, but with 1 bed in it. And they do this with the Kings all the time. Definitely worth the price. I booked on points, but it was $138 a night, which is a screaming deal. And we got a free airport shuttle. So, you know, you can't argue with that. We will have to lift to the cruise port. So I'm going to go downstairs and show you what breakfast looks like in the elevator and all that fun stuff. So this is our floor. It's the 4th floor. And like I said, the hotel's a little bit dated. But other than that, it's nice. It's super clean. IHGs are usually clean. I haven't had a bad one. Elevator. There are stairs as well. Okay, elevator. Masks are mandatory for unvaccinated guests. I am vaccinated, I'm triple, but I do that so I can travel. Makes it easier. I know a lot of people have their opinions. It's not your opinion, my body, thank you. Don't want to hear it. So here's your elevator. This gets a workout in the morning. Okay, so it does have a pool. I'm gonna take this down. Ooh, it's warm. Yes, humidity. Oh, I miss you. How do I miss you? I live in Northern California, y'all, like in the mountains. There is no such thing as humidity. I was raised in Texas, and that's all we had was humidity. So when I come down south to Florida, it's excellent because my pain levels drop, because it absolutely 100% depends on barometric pressure. And I can breathe better. So this is super, super cool. Look, US Foods is over here too. Hi, US Foods, we love you. That used to be Food Services of America. Okay, so that's the pool area. I didn't see a hot tub. We're gonna go back in and show breakfast, and I'm gonna mask back up again. Oh, gotta get my key card out. Hold on. Key card. Okay, hold on. Okay, well, we're just gonna go around. So it has a nice big parking lot. They're doing some construction, obviously, as you can see with all that stuff. So you know, this Wawa right next door, the Davie police do sit here, and I think it's brilliant because my wife said a weird guy was behind her and doing weird stuff yesterday when she ran over to go get some stuff, and so it's kind of nice that they're there. Lyft and Uber service this area, and right here is the shuttle. That's what we took to the airport. That's complimentary. So super nice. And I'm just being extra careful, y'all, because I got to get on a cruise ship, and that means I have to take a COVID test. I don't want to have COVID. I don't want to get COVID. I had some kind of weird something happen to me in March of 2020, March of 2020, when I came off my first Mickey ship, and I think I picked it up in the San Francisco airport, not on the ship. So, oh, there's the Waffle House. It is. It's right next door. Nice. There's some nice ass cars driving through here too. Woo. So yeah, this is the big building here. Do I recommend this hotel so far? Yes. I mean, we've only stayed one night, but the beds are super comfy, and it's got a big breakfast. It even has pog juice, y'all. You can get pog juice. So driver was nice, didn't speak much English, but he was helpful. Don't forget to tip, guys. These people run on tips, because in Florida, a tipped position is half of minimum wage, and their tips, because businesses get away with bullshit like that. All right, so lobby, and then here's your breakfast. So I'm gonna get me a glass of pug juice. All right. Look at that. Little tiny glasses I'll take to it. Hog juice. And then here's your room. Big TV, Mary J. Blige on GMA. She has beautiful legs. Beautiful voice. Pancakes. All the stuff you could possibly want to go on pancakes, and then some. Bagels, toast, muffin, cinnamon rolls, cereal, except the Frosted Flakes is mislabeled. That looks like granola with raisins. All your coffee fixins. Coffee. The coffee at IHG is delicious. And there we go. Sorry. Now I've got a pop over here. And there's your yogurts, bacon, scrambled eggs, oatmeal, all included. Pardon me. And then we're going to go over here to registration. And I'm going to ask for a couple of towels. So here's your registration desk right here. And your pasty white wife? Yes. So, y'all, we have like multiple kinds of sunscreen. We have 50. We have 70, we have 100. If you are pasty white like Wheezy is pasty white because of her English blood and her delicate flower sensitive skin, please put your damn sunscreen on. The sunscreen, the sun in Florida is no joke. And even my Italian skin, I do a base layer of 1,000 or of 100. Wow, holy cow. A base layer of 100, and then I reapply every 90 minutes to 2 hours. So it's no joke. If you if you go to the Bahamas, if you sail to the Bahamas, remember that you're on a ship and water reflects sun. So you need to have the sunscreen on. Put the sunscreen on, guys. You will save yourself a lot of pain later on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Nikki, your host and advisor, and I'll see you real soon.